Hello, welcome to Julog Day 4. Happy July 4th to those who celebrate. And yeah, good morning. I stayed up late playing a video game and then I slept in early today. And I've actually been up for a little while, but not long. I'm doing editing a couple videos, and I did a crossword puzzle, and then I'm working on a Sudoku puzzle over here. And for the 4th of July, it is very cloudy. Come on, focus. It's very gray, big cloudy, and very humid. We're having a bunch of little 4th of July. This is my Uncle Dwayne, everybody. And we are doing, 4th of July stuff. All the normal bottle rockets, smoke bombs, all that stuff. After our meal, we discussed possibly popping into the pool to freeze to death.
We definitely fell in the tube beforehand.
Yeah.
Huh? It definitely fell in the tube beforehand.
Yeah, it didn't go nowhere.
We have. I'm being very cautious. Got my stuff here. And we got our stuff here.
3 seconds.
Something like that. So, I was going to get into the pool with them, but it is too cold for me because it's not warm enough like out here.
Oh, you see this? This is existing.
I think you'll be alright. But I'm a chilly child.
Yeah, okay. Send me a check.
What was that one?
Just a motor.
That was a. I gotta relax in my ice cream cones that room.
Why?
Lay him to rest.
Apparently my sibling has a battle wound.
And the bottle rocket exploded earlier.
Oh, my peaches.
I didn't even realize. I don't feel it even right now. I don't feel anything.
Doesn't know how high it's going to go. You might want to give it a good spot.
You might want to come on this side of the pool.
Is that one of our fountains?
And it's supposed to spin too. Like it does that, and then it's going to start spinning the front part, I think.
It's supposed to spin, Andrew?
It has to burn down. Maybe not.
That's cool though. It's all wet.
I like that one. Yeah. That was worth the money there.
Myself to not fall in.
Get the black.
So,
He said he don't make his bed, he just gets up and leaves it unmade.
so
Fallon and Andrew.
I'm gonna get back in
Don't
and
look at their beds.
So hold on a minute. You're saying that you have a neurosis right now, that it makes you uncomfortable that someone else's bed is messy?
It does. It does. Yes. It makes me worse.
You understand
The
she's
worst-
filming you, so
I don't care.
for posterity.
Listen, it makes me feel worse if it's my bed, because my bed has to be made before I get in it, and I don't like it a mess. I sleep neat.
It has to be made before
You
gets in it.
sleep
So,
neat?
Like this.
You sleep like... So you sleep like you're dead.
No, she doesn't. In the middle of the night, she has this 30-second twitch. 3-second twitch about every 30 seconds. It's like this. You're laying there. Count 1, 2, 30. And just like until you can't count no more, that's happening.
No.
Or until you
How
fall
are you
asleep.
counting? Because you're too busy snoring.
No. Well, apparently I can snore awake.
That's what I tell Dad.
Back that way.
So
up
there was
here,
an
over
absolute
by the trees,
downpour,
over that way,
and
over
they
by the
still
trees,
lit off
so
the
that's away from
fireworks.
everybody.
So
Yeah.
it was cool. You could
Probably
see
wouldn't
the
wanna
rain, and it
chuckle
lit up
at
the
about
sky
that.
really purple and
Yeah.
pretty.
Stuff will be over here.
So that's what happened. So we're all just chilling here. A couple stray fireworks are still
Kinda wanna
going
feel it
off.
kinda goes like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so our little group went home. I have very red skin now because I just did a little at-home microderm abrasion session, and I'm going to use my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Cream just to help take care of that. And yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. This is a nice, chill, relaxing first day off, 4th of July fun. And we have a whole weekend still ahead of us. I love having 2 days off from the work week. We should do it twice a week. Like, everywhere that has shorter work weeks, everybody's always happier. And it's like, why don't we just do this? Oh, because corporate America and corporate world would be sad? Anyway. See you tomorrow, humans.